Though we pride ourselves on our Kiwi ingenuity, in terms of innovation, New Zealand's construction industry is not yet as digitally advanced as it could be, with over 90% of businesses in the sector reporting no major changes in technology used since the year 2020. Following the declaration of a climate change emergency the same year, the New Zealand government is striving to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. To reach that target, the construction sector, which currently contributes around 10% of our domestic greenhouse gas emissions, will need a few updates. The cost of building in New Zealand remains high, a symptom of a number of issues, including global supply chain issues such as those caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russian invasion of the Ukraine. Despite this, New Zealanders have been building more homes, exploring more cost-effective options, and in some cases even downsizing the size of their new build. Downsizing is a trend that addresses both the financial and environmental concerns of many consumers' minds. The smaller houses to be built, tiny houses for instance, are cheaper to build and operate and have smaller environmental footprints compared to, say, larger buildings. In the same way, a rabbit requires less food, is easier to move, and produces less waste than a horse. Buildings designed to have minimal environmental impact over their lifetime are known as green buildings. Green buildings may take advantage of technologies for use in their constructions to improve resource efficiency during use. Examples include smart building technology or resources like Homestar that offer health, efficiency and sustainable assessments. There are some lower impact smart buildings that use a mix of sensors, software and online connectivity to optimize operating usage, allows users to save energy and water and streamline their lives. You don't have to spend time and effort adjusting the building, because the building does it for you, whether that's making sure the lights are off when you go to bed or heating the oven up in time for your Sunday roast. It's estimated that upgrading to smart buildings with integrated systems could reduce long-term energy costs. Several companies in New Zealand already offer smart building technology services. However, with the potential for privacy issues and hacking, this is a technology that will likely be less attractive to some and will require careful regulation in the near future. While the construction sector has been slow to adopt new technologies in general, the benefits of adopting artificial intelligence are increasingly being understood. An extension of AI is machine learning, designed to train algorithms to teach themselves based on pattern in data, and can assist at all stages of construction projects, identifying risks, improving safety, and refining cost estimations. Construction robots are already capable of performing certain repetitive tasks such as painting, bricklaying, beam assembly, and earthworks at a faster rate and for a lower cost than your usual traditional labour. Now, machines won't replace human workers, but AI could lead the change for new skills required across many functions in the sector, leading to a smaller, more specialised workforce. Because of social resistance to this, as well as the complex nature of a construction site activities, it is hard to predict which AI system might become widespread. However, new innovations are constantly evolving. There are driving forces behind the key technologies that are enabling digital transformation in the construction sector. These new technologies have potential to boost productivity, enhance sustainability, lower costs, and help ensure that Kiwis have safe, healthy, and durable buildings now and into the future. To learn more about what's happening in the industry today, check out our construction real-world stories and discover the benefits your peers are experiencing. Get in touch with our Digital Boost support team to find out what technology other businesses are using and what might be an option for your business.